Hey guys, it's your girl Lashes Tony XO. How are you guys doing today? Today is going to be the first week that we play with our Shop My Stash and we do like a chatty get ready with me. So that's what I'm doing today. So I want to play with these for Sally little minis. They're really tiny. And I want to try, this one is the blurring one. Skin Tune. It's the little mini green one. I have heard some people say you still need a primer with this. I'm going to try it just to see what it looks like without a primer. It smells nice. It has a little bit of a like a shampoo smell, maybe like a fruity smell. So I'm going to see if this really does give my skin like a filter. I wish, but I'm sure it's not. See, I've got a lot of people wanting me to do kind of swatch and play with that new little hot, what's it called, the hot rum or whatever it's called, the little mini one by Too Faced. So I think I'm gonna play with that on Thursday. I did pull this foundation for my Shop My Stash, but I also have been using this for my project pan, using these, but I think today, I think I might mix these actually, because I'm really trying to work through this. I only have 2 months to get through this foundation, and I'm like, I gotta get through it. I really want to do well on my finale of my project pan. I don't want to be disappointed. So I'm trying to at least mix it with foundations and stuff. They're both matte, so we'll see how this goes. Oh, and then I've got this new little sponge. I'm really obsessed with it, you guys. Oh, I didn't tell you what this is. This is the LC Cosmetic Sponge. You'll probably see me using a lot of these project pan things because I only have 2 more months and I gotta finish the stuff for my finale. I want to be super proud of myself, so that's why I'm using this stuff. And I'm really excited about, I've been trying to like think really hard and make a list of what I want to accomplish as far as project pan goals and stuff. If you couldn't tell, like project pan is like, it's just really fun for me. Again, I didn't pull a new powder. I'm using my project pan powder, which is my It Cosmetics Bye Pores powder. And you guys, I'm using it. So proud of myself. Alright, so but yeah, so about project painting, you guys, I get so excited. My husband makes fun of me all the time because he's like, nobody can be that excited about project painting. I'm like, but I get so excited. When I'm not obsessing about makeup with you guys, I'm watching either project painting videos or I'm watching like planing videos, like as far as like, you know, in a planner, like a Erin Condren and stuff like that. Those are like the 2 top videos that I honestly watch. And so it's like my little hobbies that I like to do. And so project painting is one of my hobbies that I like to do. And so I will watch like 50 back-to-back project painting videos, and my husband's like, if I hear the word project pan one more time, I think I'm gonna kill myself. I have a new bronzer that I pulled. This is new. So this is the Lorac Hustle and Glow, also recommended by Babs Beauty, and I do want to do a video on her as well. There's 3 YouTubers that I write down recommendations, mainly 2. I guess the 2 big ones, Babs Beauty, #1, because we have the same skin type. She's combo, I'm combo. She has large pores, I have large pores. I always write down her recommendations. And then my second girl is just, I feel like we have like this connection. We don't really, but in my mind we're like BFFs. I feel like in real life me and Samantha March would be like BFFs because I don't know, every time I watch her videos she is like the most realist person. I'm gonna take this lighter one to contour. There's 2 like satin mattes, there's a highlight, and then there's a shimmer bronzer. I'm gonna take the lighter one. I've never used this palette, so we're gonna see how this goes. But yeah, it's hard to find someone on YouTube that's not like bigger than life. You know, like I don't watch the really big YouTubers because I can't relate. You know what I mean? Like I can't relate to certain people. Like I can tell you who I like to watch. Definitely Tiffany Dawn. I watch all her videos. She probably doesn't know it because I'm not really someone that comments on everybody's video. I don't even comment on like Samantha March or Babs Beauty. I don't comment on people's videos. I need to because I'm always saying comment, leave a comment, leave a comment. But I am subscribed to all those people, but I don't comment because honestly 90% of the time I'm watching them on my TV. I'm not watching them on my phone. So if I'm watching it on my TV, I can't really obviously comment. And then like I watch, like, I'm trying to think of some other YouTubers I watch, but Kelly Gooch, love me some Gooch. I don't know. I don't feel like I can really, it's not like a Samantha March, Tiffany Dawn type connection where I feel like I would be friends with these people in real life. It's more of a, I don't know. It's like, I don't know. I really like her personality. I'm going to use this highlight in here down the bridge of my nose, and then I'm going to use the Fenty on my cheeks. But yeah, that's just some things I have been kind of thinking about, racking my brain about. I'm a Gemini, so I'm a thinker. I'm a planner, I'm a thinker. I'm always like just constantly thinking, writing things down. The bronzer that's in my project pan and my Shop Mustache. I didn't show you guys on my Shop Mustache, but it's in my project pan. It's just like a to warm up my face bronzer type thing. What was it saying? I have no idea what I was saying. Oh yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys would be interested in the project painting my samples, because I have so many samples. I think it'd be fun to do monthly, not weekly. Just something fun to do once a month. And then I can tell you, like, especially if it's a new product, I could be like, ooh, I really want to purchase this. This is what I think about it, and let you guys know. Tell me what you think of that idea. But yeah, so that's my thoughts on that. Ooh, I remember why I love this bronzer. It just gives your skin like this beautiful sun-kissed glow. Another thing I've been wanting to do, I'm going to use this, my new Tarte blush. It has some really beautiful colors in it. So it has two blushes, and then the top is a highlighter. I think I'm going to use this, like, I don't know, I might mix the two. I was thinking about doing this one, but I might mix the two. I don't really know. I'm going to use my new Fenty. Oh my god, this highlight, you guys. This highlight is everything. Well, I know what I need to do. If I spread my cheeks with it for solid, then I feel like it'll stick. The highlight will stick. What was I saying? Dang it, I keep losing track. Ooh. Ooh. Usually I like to do eye makeup first because I like my eyes to be like sharp lines. But you can, there is a little trick. You can use a card if you still want to get a sharp line, which I like, I prefer. So I think I'm going to do that today. So I'm going to go in first with the color Bear, which is right here. It's just like a, I'm going to use it as a base color, just to kind of, very powdery. I haven't used this palette, so I didn't really know how powdery it's gonna be. I'm just gonna take it all the way up to my brow, I think. I'm gonna use my card because like I said, I do want a little bit of a line, a definition. It's just the way I like to do my eye makeup. Everybody's different, but that's the way I like to do mine. So I'm just gonna put the card here and use Bible in the crease. I'm gonna do a very simple look today because I don't want this video to be super long. I'm mixing Bible and chai, actually. That's what I'm going to do. Again, I'm taking Libra. Ooh, I did get some fallout with that, so be careful. I'm going to try it on this side with my finger and see if it applies better. I kind of like it better with my finger, if I'm honest. So, yeah. I feel like it goes on better with the finger, so just, you might want to try that. This color called Mandela. It's like this purple shift. I think I'm gonna put that on my lid. Ooh, that's pretty. It just gives it kind of a purple shift to your lid. Really pretty color. I think it might be my favorite color. I think Bible and Mandela, I think that's how you say it, is my favorite. It's just, it has a shift to it, so it's just really, really pretty. I just can't stop putting it on my lid. I use the color Steve, and it is like a burgundy color. I think I'm just gonna use a little bit of it to put right on the outer V. Like I said, I want to add some more of this purple shift color because it's so pretty and I just can't get enough of it. So, okay. So those are the eyes. I'm gonna do some at the bottom, and I gotta clean up the fallout because there was some fallout. So let me clean up, finish my eye makeup, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I just got through doing the rest of my makeup. All I did was put the Pure Lashes it's Pure and Barbie. I showed you guys these before. They're like really dramatic. I always love wearing those when I do a fun look, and I do think this look I came out with today is really fun. I love, 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 probably my favorite color in this palette. Well, I haven't used all the colors yet, you guys, but this color right here called Mandalay, I believe is how you say it. It's got like a purple shift to it, and I just put it all over my lids, and I am obsessed with that color. And since I used mainly that color on the lid, I decided to use my Project Pan lipstick that's really kind of out there and fun. I know a lot of you guys are like terrified of this lipstick, and it can make you look dead, it can make your teeth look yellow, but I thought with this look, it kind of went together. It's got like this purple vibe, and so I decided to go with it. So again, this is my Project Pan. Almost done with this liquid lipstick. This is by Smashbox in Chill Zone. I did put a lip gloss under it just so it wouldn't be so drying. And I like the way it looks. I think it came out kind of fun. Everything blends really well. I do love the colors. I think they're different than what I have in my collection, especially that one is like really my favorite. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very chatty and kind of like all over the place. So if you liked it, please let me know and give me a thumbs up. It lets me know that you do like my content, and I totally appreciate it, you guys. My new upload schedule is Mondays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So please stay tuned for those videos. And yeah, let me know what you think and what we should talk about for this week's Wednesday live girl chat. I would love to know in the comments if you have any new ideas, new topics, or a tag or something you want me to do on Wednesday. And if you have any ideas for videos, let me know in the comments. Yeah, just let me know all your feelings in the comments. I would love to chat with you guys, and I hope you have a good one. Bye guys, love you.